In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Los Angeles County. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Los Angeles County Court website at laycourt.ca.gov. Once the home page loads, look for the option labeled Pay My Ticket and click on it. This will take you to the traffic payment section where you can begin the online payment process. After that, scroll down the page until you see the Pay Online button. Click it to continue. On the next screen, choose Search for a ticket with a citation number. This option is helpful if you already have your ticket in front of you and want to locate it directly using the citation details. You'll then arrive at the User Agreement page, which is the first step in the system. Take a moment to review the agreement so you understand the terms for using the court's online service. When you're ready, agree to the terms, and then click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be taken to Step 2, where you search for your citation. Here, you'll need to carefully enter the information exactly as it appears on your ticket. First, select the court location, then choose the law enforcement agency name or number. After that, enter your ticket number in the appropriate field. You'll also be asked to enter your date of birth. There is one important exception here. If your ticket has the owner's responsibility box marked, you should leave the date of birth field blank. This is an important detail because entering information incorrectly can prevent the system from finding your ticket. Once all the required information is filled in, click Search. The system will look up your citation, and if everything matches, it will bring up your ticket information. From there, follow the remaining on-screen steps in steps 3, 4, and 5 to complete the process. These final screens typically guide you through reviewing the ticket details, confirming the amount due, and submitting your payment. As you go through these pages, make sure to double-check the information before finishing, especially the citation details and payment amount. A good tip is to have your ticket ready before you begin, since the exact court location, agency information, and citation number all need to match. It also helps to complete the process in one sitting so you don't lose your place. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Los Angeles County.